So we're working on number 6, finding the greatest common factor for these two terms. This is where you're going to write out all the factors, and you can do this prime factorization. 4 divides by 2. These are the primes. My first 4 primes gives 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Once you reach the candle, you know you're done. So 4m to the third n squared is 2 times 2 times m to the third. How many m's is that? 3 multiplied together times n squared is 2n's. Okay. 24. Remember, I always used to say either divide by 2 or 3 if possible. And if 2 or 3 doesn't work, then divide by 5. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And that gets me my birthday candle. So this is 24 mn to the third, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 m times n to the third is n times n times n. Now, I need to circle what is common. So I've got an n, I've got a second n here, I've got an m here, and I have 2 2's, m, no more, 2, 3, n. So looking at those pairs, it would be 2 times 2 times m times n times n. 2 times 2 is 4, m n to the second. That's one way to do it. The other way is just to look at it and say, okay, 4 is my smaller number. 4 goes into 24 evenly, so that means it's 4. M to the third, m to the first. You can only take away from the smallest that you have. So that's an m to the first. N squared, n to the third. You can only take 2 because the first term has 2, and you get the same answer. So that's another way to do it. Okay. Other questions? So when it comes to tomorrow's final, I'm not really going to be able to answer any questions at all. Okay. You have your golden sheet. I am going to collect that here at the end of class. Unless you have accommodations, you need to keep it though, because you may have the first part of your final today. Okay? Any other questions? Factoring.
Are you collecting this at the end of class?
Mm-hmm. Yep. So we'll be writing down quickly. Any other questions? Well, we got about 10 minutes left. You guys need to finish your putting whatever you want on your golden sheet. And I guess that's it. So you guys, like I said, you've worked hard. Don't tank. Don't plummet on this final. You just do your best. That's all you can do. Okay? Don't stay up all night sleeping. That is not going to help you. Okay? We've worked through the review. Most of you have kind of listened off and on while we were doing the review. Some of you have been really good about listening. You just do your best. That's all you can do. Bless you.